Geo Dictionary by Kayla. Planes. A plane is a flat surface that extends forever in both directions. Points. A point names a location in space. Lines. A line is straight. It is a set of points that extends forever in opposite directions. Line segments. A line segment is a chunk or section of a line, the part of a line between two endpoints. Rays. A ray is the part of a line that starts at an endpoint and goes on forever in one direction. Angles. An angle is formed by two rays with the same endpoint. Right angles. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees and forms a square corner. Acute angles. Acute angles is any angle that measures under 90 degrees. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angles are any angle more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Straight angles. A straight angle is an angle that is 180 degrees. It is completely straight. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are lines that meet or cross at a common point. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are intersecting lines that form four right angles. Parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines in the same plane that never intersect. Circles. Circles are plane figures. All the points on the circle is the same distance from the given point called the center. Radius. A radius is any line segment with an endpoint at the center of the circle and on the circle. Diameters. Diameter is any line that passes through the center of a circle and has both endpoints on the edge of the circle. Chords. A chord is any line that has endpoints on the circle. Simple closed curves. Simple closed curve is a path that begins and ends at the same point and doesn't cross itself. Polygons. Polygons are simple closed flat figures made up of three or more line segments. Regular polygons. Regular polygons are polygons with all the same length sides. Vertices, sides. Parallelograms. Parallelograms is a shape with opposite sides that are parallel and are the same length. Rectangles. Rectangles have opposite sides that are parallel and that are the same length. All of the angles in the rectangle are right angles. Squares. Squares have opposite sides that are parallel. All sides are the same length. All the angles are right angles. PS. The square is all types of quadrilaterals. Rhombuses. Rhombuses have opposite sides that are parallel. All four sides are the same length. Trapezoids. Trapezoids have exactly one pair of parallel sides. Right triangles. Right triangles all have one right angle. Isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles have at least two sides of equal length. Scalene triangles. A scalene triangle has none of the sides that are equal length. Equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles have all of the sides that are in equal length. Similar figures. Similar figures have exactly the same shape. They may or may not be the same size. Congruent figures. Congruent figures are similar, but they are always the same size. Turn or rotations. A turn or a rotation is the movement of a figure around a point.